Hi there, this is Farah Kim from WinPure, your go-to platform for data quality management. Have you ever heard the term dirty data? It's when your data is really messy. It's got typos, incomplete entries, and records and information is just all over the place. Dirty data is one of the biggest challenges businesses face today when dealing with data quality. In this 5-minute video, I will try to walk you through what exactly is dirty data, how it occurs, and what are the steps you can take to prevent and manage dirty data from affecting your insights and business processes. Ready? Let's get started. Dirty data is flawed information. For example, in this data set, you can see there are duplicate records, there are phone numbers with different formats, inconsistent naming conventions, missing data, formatting inconsistencies, and obsolete or outdated information. So we've defined what exactly is dirty data. But why does it occur? Why is it that despite investments in data management infrastructure and solutions, 70% of companies still struggle with data quality issues? Over the years, we've spoken with thousands of customers, and we've sort of narrowed the whys into several common reasons. Take a look. Number 1, human input error. Now, we all make mistakes, whether it's a typo, leaving a field blank, or just entering junk or fake numbers instead of a real value. The more your systems rely on manual data entry, the greater the risk of dirty or bad data. Another common reason is poor data collection processes. Now, companies struggling with dirty data have traced it back usually to poorly governed processes. For example, web forms without proper field controls often result in inconsistent or incomplete entries. Similarly, legacy CRMs with weak duplication controls are often responsible for redundant and obsolete data. Lack of uniformity. Most data sets do not have clear rules for formatting and inputting data. Everyone does their own thing. One person could write something as 9 Charles Street, while someone else would write street with a short form. Unstructured or untreated data from third-party sources is also another common cause of bad data. Whether you've purchased lists or you've set up integrations with external platforms, if the data is not treated or mapped, you will be facing challenges with inaccuracy, incomplete, or outdated data. Since you have limited control over how it was collected or maintained, errors are almost inevitable. And lastly, aging data. Data gets old fast. People move, change jobs, or switch email addresses more frequently than you realize. If you don't update your records, they'll become irrelevant, which is why 40% of CRM data gets obsolete annually. This is just the tip of the iceberg. I could go on and on with 1,000 reasons why companies still struggle with dirty data, but that's not the focus. The focus is, what can you do to prevent and manage dirty data from affecting your overall business processes? Because the thing is, if you don't take dirty data seriously, you're going to end up with decisions that are based on flawed information. And when that happens, your revenue and your reputation takes a direct hit. So let's start with some prevention strategies, and after that, I'll share some management strategies. Let's go. Implement real-time data validation. Use mandatory fields, drop-down menus, regex validation, and auto-formatting in web forms and CRM inputs to prevent incomplete, incorrect, or inconsistent data entries at the point of collection. Second, enforce standardized data entry guidelines. Establish clear rules for entering names, addresses, phone numbers, and email formats across all departments. Train employees and automate enforcement through preset data templates in CRM and databases. Next, integrate automated duplicate detection. Enable real-time deduplication tools that flag potential duplicates before they enter the system. Use fuzzy match algorithms to identify near duplicates across multiple sources and prevent redundancy. Schedule routine data audits and cleansing. Set up automated workflows to regularly review and clean data sets, identifying errors, duplicates, and outdated records. Establish a quarterly or biannual data hygiene schedule to maintain accuracy. And last, if you can, use API integrations to synchronize data sources. Prevent fragmented and inconsistent records by ensuring all business applications such as CRMs and ERPs sync automatically. Use APIs to centralize customer and business data in real time, reducing discrepancies. So we've covered the prevention part. Now, it's important to accept and understand that you cannot prevent dirty data from happening 100%. As long as you will continue to collect information, you will have to deal with dirty data as being an intrinsic side effect of it. You cannot wish it away. The point here is that you can only manage it to a certain extent, and that should be the goal. So, what are some of the basic management strategies? Let's take a look. First, identify and diagnose issues. Start by pinpointing the problems. Use advanced tools and reporting mechanisms to detect duplicates, inconsistencies, or incomplete records in your datasets. Next, build a data cleaning strategy. Develop a targeted plan to resolve these identified issues. This could include merging duplicate records, enriching incomplete data, or aligning inconsistent entries to your defined standards. A strategy ensures your data cleaning project would be systematic and on point. Automate corrective processes. Leverage automation tools like WinPure to handle repetitive data correction tasks like deduplication or standardization. Establish continuous monitoring. Set up automated monitoring systems to detect emerging issues in real time. Regular audits and validation checks ensure ongoing data quality and prevent small errors from escalating. Lastly, modernize and align systems. Ensure your systems and processes evolve with your business needs. Modern tools and workflows are essential for maintaining data quality at scale, reducing recurring issues caused by outdated infrastructure. I know, all of this sounds hectic and super complicated, but the good news is we live in times where AI and digital transformation technologies have made it super easy to handle such complications without requiring any sort of technical skill set. You don't have to be an SQL specialist, a Python developer, or even an IT or database specialist to be able to resolve dirty data. All you need is a strategy, a process, and a powerful automated solution that can help you resolve these issues within minutes. In the next slide, I'll walk you quickly through how the WinPure platform works, and I'll show you how you can clean your data in just 5 steps. A solution like WinPure is designed to empower both tech and non-tech professionals to take charge of their data quality challenges. Users are provided with a step-by-step data quality framework wherein they can easily integrate data from multiple sources with a simple click, identify hidden errors and understand their data health with a detailed profiling feature, clean and standardize columns with over 30 plus options, use both fuzzy match and AI match to identify complex duplicates and resolve entity differences in datasets. They can merge, purge, and export data effortlessly without having to juggle between files and platforms. And there you go. I hope you found this video informative. If you need our help to solve your dirty data challenges, feel free to reach out to me or my colleague Matt Trumbull on LinkedIn or by email or give us a call, all the details of which are given in the description below and in the next slide. Before you go though, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you may be updated every time we release a new video. Until then, take care of yourself and your data. Cheers. Bye-bye.